If you're still generating videos one wasting hours every single week, what if I told you Grok can generate and download dozens of videos automatically while you grab coffee? Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up Grok bulk automation step by step, and by the end, you won't need to babysit the process ever again. Step 1 is simple. Head over to grok.com and log into your account. Make sure you're fully signed in before we move forward. This matters because the automation extension needs access to your active session. Once you're logged in and inside the dashboard, we're ready for the next step. Now install the Grok Automation Chrome extension by going to click Add to Chrome. After installing it, pin the extension to your toolbar so it's easy to access. This extension is the engine that will run everything for you. Now here's something important. If you're not currently on a Grok page, the extension will show a button that says Navigate to Grok or Open Grok. Click that button so the extension detects you're inside Grok. Automation will not run properly unless you're on an active Grok page. Before generating videos, we need structured prompts. Open ChatGPT and ask it to create a script along with sequential video prompts in order. Make sure the video prompts are clearly separated and arranged in sequence, because Grok will generate videos exactly in the order you paste them. Once your prompts are ready, go back to Grok and select text to video. Paste your prompts carefully and ensure each prompt is separated by a blank line. That blank line is critical because it tells Grok to generate separate videos instead of combining everything into one output. Now click into settings inside the extension. Here you'll configure aspect ratio, 9:16 for shorts, 16:9 for YouTube. Duration, 10 seconds requires the Super Grok plan. Auto download quality, 480p or 720p. Any additional toggles available. Once everything looks right, click Save Settings. Don't skip this part. Wrong settings, wrong output. Now go back to the Control tab inside the extension and click Run. This is where the automation begins. The extension will now submit each prompt one by one, generate each video in sequence, and automatically download every file as it completes. You don't need to click anything, monitor each step, or babysit the process. Just sit back, grab a coffee, and let the extension do the heavy lifting. In a short time, you'll have a full batch of generated videos downloaded and ready to use, with no manual repetition and no wasted time.
Use any video editor to merge the videos. I used Filmora from Wondershare. Let's watch how the final video is.
You're not stuck, you're loading. Right now, something powerful is being built inside you, even if it feels slow, even if it feels invisible. Growth doesn't always look like progress. Sometimes it looks like waiting, sometimes it feels like nothing is happening at all. But under the surface, the work is happening, your mindset is shifting, your standards are rising. Your discipline is forming. Every delay is data. Every time things don't go your way, you're not losing, you're learning. Every setback shows you what needs to change. Every obstacle exposes a weakness you can strengthen. Every mistake gives you a clearer path forward. The people who win aren't the ones who never fail. They're the ones who collect feedback, adjust their approach, and move again without quitting. Every failure is feedback. It's proof that you tried. It's proof that you stepped into the arena most people never do. They stay safe. They stay comfortable. They stay exactly where they are. You didn't. You moved. You risked. That alone puts you ahead of the crowd. While others wait for permission, you're building momentum. They're waiting for the perfect time, the perfect plan, the perfect conditions. You're moving with what you have. You're taking imperfect action. You're stacking small wins. And momentum doesn't come from thinking. It comes from doing. One step today creates two tomorrow. Quiet progress beats loud excuses. You don't need to announce your grind. You don't need validation. Results speak louder than intentions. Show up when nobody is watching. Do the work when it feels boring. Stay consistent when motivation disappears. That's where real separation happens. Show up today, not tomorrow, not someday, today. Because the version of you who wins isn't waiting for the future. They're already moving right now.
If this helped you automate your video creation and save hours every single week, imagine what scaling this could do for your channel. Make sure you like this video so more creators can discover this workflow. Subscribe for more automation tutorials, AI workflows, and content systems that actually save you time.